Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on or enable Windows Defender in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on Windows Defender on Windows 11 computer, click on Search. In Search type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. You will find the first option, Real-Time Protection. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And then Cloud Delivered Protection is turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Automatic sample submission is turned off. Click here to turn it on. And temper protection is turned off. Click here to turn it on. This is the easiest way to turn on or enable Windows Defender in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.